Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, everybody.
I've got a wild card over here sitting next to me because he's so excited because we are going back to the gym today. Keep your fingers crossed we're going back to the gym today, that nothing crazy will happen. We have not been to the gym. My goodness, how long has it been?
Too long. We had snowstorm after snowstorm, and we're getting another one, so we figure we better hit it today.
Well, they're saying we're going to get freezing rain, and flooding and all kinds of stuff.
The flood's turning to ice.
My hair is doing some kind of wild thing, but understand I'm going to the gym, and it's not a beauty competition over there. I just wear my hair up in a bun. I got no jewelry on. I've got my Calvin Klein sweatshirt on. Just going to keep warm and go and enjoy. A lot of you guys have asked me, do we like our new drink bottles? We love them.
Turn off my Fire TV.
And Ronnie's turning his TV off. These are made by a company called Contigo. They have the lock on them so that your kids can't get in it or it won't spill. It's 100% spill proof. You just click it down like that. And then when you want it again, you just push it. But if you don't want it, you can hit this little button right here over like that. And then it won't go up at all. See, it locks. So these were not cheap. These were probably about between $12 and $14 a piece. They have metal ones, but I opted for these because of the price difference. The metal ones were like $20 a piece to $24 a piece. And
they stay cold long enough. You put your ice in there.
The water, whatever we put in here does not last long enough to worry about it.
So far, we've only used Crystal Light.
Yeah, we haven't put any water in it. We've been putting Crystal Light in it, but I haven't made any water to put in the fridge for it yet. I just have not had the time or made the time. I'm always cooking and cleaning. It's a lot of work taking care of Ronnie. But we're headed off to the gym this morning, and we're going to have a nice day out and a swim. It's supposed to be warmer today, whatever that means.
56.
56.
That's a heat wave for
here. That's a heat wave right now.
It's gonna feel like summer. It felt like summer with 40 degrees.
Yeah, and then we're gonna come home. I'm gonna make some pasta. I'm gonna take a hot bath, put some clothes on, and I'm going to attempt to at least straighten up this part of the house. And I tried to pay my internet bill this morning. I do it every month over the phone, and today their phones are not working. It's like it picks up, but there's nothing there. So hopefully they get that remedy so I can pay my internet bill. It's not due till the 4th, but still, I want to get it done.
We'd like to get her done.
Right. Today is 2 years ago. Ronnie and I had our wedding shower over here at this little church in the Guyandotte.
2 years.
2 years ago.
Well, that shows you, when you're honeymooning every day. That shows you how fast 2 years can fly.
But it's hard to believe because, I was looking at the pictures of it today, and, Ronnie's mom was with us, and Ronnie's dad was there, and a lot of family that he hadn't seen for a while, and it was so, so nice. But my wonderful friend, Amalou, she put all of that together. She was my matron of honor. And everything was in Valentine everything, which was perfect because it was the month of Valentine's Day. So that worked out really nicely. And I loved the red and the pinks and the whites and all that. And I made all the cupcakes for it, and it just came off really, really well. We got a lot of nice gifts too, which was nice. And just had a very lovely time at our wedding shower. But it's hard to believe. 2 years ago. That was 2 years ago. Anyhow, the bus will be coming soon. I'm going to go fill up my drink bottle so I can take it with me today. I like to sip on it while I'm at the gym. I got my new gym bag that I got for Christmas from Emma I'm taking with me today. I told Ronnie, I said, it's the first time using my new bag. And so I'm excited about that. So let's get going to the gym. She only goes out a few times a year. I never ate that. You're trying to get. All right, let's go. We made it to the Y.
Yeah, we did.
We had a bumpy ride.
Good to be. I think they must be getting more holier.
We're getting holier around here. And it's bumpier the further back you sit on the bus. So if you're fat and you get the back, you drag. Right?
That's right.
So I'm extremely squinty out here with the sun. I didn't bring my sunglasses. But anyhow, we just got done at the gym. I've got my handsome hubby over here.
Feels like a nice spring day, a nice 50-something, 56 degrees.
Yeah, it's real nice. The sun is obviously shining, as you guys can see. We just got out of the hot tub, and we were so hot that coming out here, it's 50-some degrees today.
Well, we had to warm you up. You were freezing to death before.
I know I was. I was freezing to death before, but then after I got out of the hot tub, I was good and warmed up. We got good and dried off, got dressed, came out here. And so now, we're just sitting on a bench. I don't know if you guys can see, but sitting on a bench outside.
Waiting on the bus.
Waiting on the bus. And we just pray every time we come out here that maybe they might come early. We'll see. I got done. I can't even talk. I got done with dinner. And so we're having rotini pasta with spaghetti sauce, lots of mushrooms, onions, and it smells really, really good. And then we are having some garlic toast. And I put a little bit of olive oil, some butter, garlic salt, and parsley. And it is so good.